Hi guys, welcome back to yet another English video. But in this video, I won't be explaining you guys the stanza wise explanation, because in the last video I saw the views were not so much and I wanted to help you guys. And I think if I suggest you guys the important questions, that will be more beneficial to you guys. So grab a pen and paper and sit, because the class is on. So here I have noted down some questions, important questions for you guys, and I'm reading them out. Just note them and try answering these questions, okay? Here the very important thing is the setting of the story, like setting of the poem. Great trees fall. Here the trees are referred to as the people who have a great impact in our lives. So that setting is very important and it's a metaphorical setting. So I'll be mentioning a PDF down in the description. You can read through it. The setting of the poem is written very beautifully in the PDF. So the next will be the figure of speech, such as anaphora, repetition, alliteration are used in these poems. So first and foremost, learn the meanings of these words, then understand where it has been used, and then try to bring out the meaning of it. Like for example, if it's a simile that is used in a story, then while answering your question, try to bring out what the poet actually meant by using the simile. Then one important question is what effect, like in the very beginning of the poem you get to see that the poet refers lions, elephants, and how they are impacted when great trees fall. So what is the impact of on the nature when great trees fall is an important question. There are 3 points. One is about the rocks, next is about lions, next is about elephants, and then about small creatures also they have mentioned. Then there is an important question like the hunkering down of the lions is related to fear. What does fear symbolizes in this stanza? That is very important. Then briefly explain the meaning of elephants limber after safety. Like elephants limber after safety means elephants are considered to be animals who move very slowly. Now when great trees fall, the land on which the elephants are standing, they shudder and with and they fear, and with fear they start moving faster into places where they can find safety. So this entire thing you need to frame and write. Then after the death of our loved ones, what happens with the memory? What happens to our reality when great souls die? How does peace blooms after a period? Then the poetic device that is used in they existed, and then you have to also suggest why this repetition is being used and is important in the poem. Then how are our senses restored? And how do they whisper to us? Which spaces in the speaker is the speaker talking about? How are these spaces filled? Like in the end of the poem, the poet talks about the spaces that after great souls die, they leave a certain space in our lives. Like these spaces can be filled, but with time. So you have to explain these things. So these were a few important questions. I will mention a PDF down below with the important theme of the poem or the setting of the poem, important meanings and stanza wise meaning. I hope you guys will refer to it, and I hope that will be helpful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. For more such videos, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will be posting constantly, and I promise you guys. I'm sorry, I've been very busy last few days. I am going to buy a new phone, if you guys didn't know. So next few videos will be after I buy the phone. So this will be, I guess, the last teaching video that I'm going to be uploading on this phone. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share with as many fellow classmates as you have. Help them, and comment down below if you guys have any queries. I will definitely help you guys. So till the next video, bye bye.